Here are 5 extremely chic things you can do. Watching a lot of movies and knowing all the references, if you can trace back the origins of the memes that are popular right now to where they've been taken from, it can be a movie, it can be a series, it can be a show, whatever. If you can trace all those references and if you can, watch all these time defining, moment defining movies and connect the dots, I think that's a cool skill to have. Optimism, it's so underrated, but I think people who are optimistic have this worldview, they have this approach of going at things. I think it can take them really far and it will do great things for you. Having a good personal style is also very less talked about, but I am talking about something that is completely yours, is original. You have curated it over the years and customized it according to your own needs and your own whims and fancies. It cannot be found on Pinterest or in someone else's board. It will be available just in your wardrobe, and it's a secret that you have honed over the years. If you have clear boundaries with everyone, then I think you are chic as a person, because your life is neat, it's not too messy, nothing gets too complicated, or at least everything is under your control. And I like that feeling of having my boundaries set with everyone and everything, and the realms are not blending into each other always, and especially in an invasive manner. Fourth chic habit that you can have is having a hobby, because why not? Do crosswords, do artwork, do whatever you want to, but just do something. Don't sit idle. I think not sitting idle is also very chic. Last point is contradictory to my fourth one, but it's being a generalist over a specialist. If you are someone who can do a lot of things but are not specially good at one thing, I think you can win in this world really naturally, because what matters is the landscape of skills that you have. It's what you have to offer to each and every single field, and if you have a good palette like that, you're winning. You're doing something right in life at least. So that's it.